So I'm going to close the PC and then I will show you how to about this computer. Before you watch this video is better, because there is a very important thing about this PC, Lenovo Y500. Hope you can see here clear the model number and everything. Lenovo Y500. This one have only one RAM slot. You cannot upgrade 2 RAMs at one time. So here I want to unscrew this. So here we unscrew already all the screw on the upper side. There's no hidden screw here. You can see all the screw everywhere. And after that you have to bring out from one side. Can start from here, here. You can see this side is almost open. Just this side have hinge. Okay. And this side, very carefully here. Can make the PC like this way. It will be easy and better. Yeah, you can see here all that area. Very careful and slow. Okay. So here's the cap. So you can put it here, and then all the screw from its side, just bend it like this. Now when you see this, you can see, I think if I make it like this, you can't see any RAM here, right? There's no RAM, but actually the RAM is hidden behind this sticker. So just peel off from here. You can see it's hidden behind this area. Just softly and gently you can peel off this area and you can see the RAM here. Here is only one RAM. So actually I want to downgrade to 4 gig. Before I have 8 gig, So I want to remove, or you can upgrade the same way, but one thing, there's a one slot. Here's the 8 gig RAM. You can see here's I think they don't write it here, sorry. Yeah, it's very small here. DDR3 notebook. This is 8. So now I'm going, and one thing, this is LRAM, DDR3 LRAM. So now I'm going to put back 4 GB DDR3 PC3L. You can read it. So this laptop only support LRAM and only one slot. Open it like this and just plug in the RAM here and close it and put the sticker back gently. And now we will turn it back and we'll open and test like everything is okay, fine. When you turn back, be careful, there's no screw or some metal down. So here we will on it. Now we just on it and we will see how it's, you can see here the computer is just on. Sometimes it takes a little bit time, so don't have to worry, you just can restart if this take time. And now you can see here is the upgraded RAM, Lenovo Y500. System property. You can see here 4 GB RAM here. So now we're going to close this the same way, very easy. You have to shut down the PC. Shut down. Shutting down. And then have to close it. Turn back. Light is still on as you can see, but I'm waiting to close. Okay, now it's completely shut down. So we will close it back. There's a hard drive, you can upgrade your hard drive here. Just unscrew from here, can bring out. I just don't want to do so, nothing special. I think if you can open the laptop, you can do it very easy. So here's the hidden RAM, only one slot. And then you can just, the first thing you have to press from here, and then press here, up area all, here, all side. Make sure you can hear the lock voices. It press, it will go automatically all areas. You can see here it's very well closed. That's all. And now you can just screw. Hope you like my video. This is for very beginner people, not for expert. But the thing is, sometimes you open the laptop and you found there's one slot, and then you have to back close it and you have to buy the RAM. So for this model, as I show you in the video, the model number and this kind of model, they have only one slot. So before you buy it or you upgrade it, you should keep this thing in your mind, that you have to get one slot 8 GB RAM first, and then you can open it. If you open earlier, you will disappoint with the 4 GB 2 slot cannot be supported. Okay, thank you, hope you like my video. So after screw back, I will turn on. If you want to see still working fine, you can wait and see. But just give me 2 minutes to screw it. I don't want to cut the video or something, because people should know what's in the reality. Okay, this is the last screw back. Okay, so everything is done here. You can see the model again. This is the model number, everything. Can turn back after we screwed back everything. Just now there's one lock back again. So okay, we press the button from the side. Okay, here it go. Okay, very fast with 4 GB, and you can see it's quick. Just done. Within few seconds you can reach to your desktop. Okay, hope you like my small video. Thank you, see you in another video. Bye bye. Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to upgrade or downgrade the RAM. So this is Lenovo Yoga Y500 tablet PC. So I'm just going to open soon, and I will show how to upgrade or downgrade the RAM. So let's see.